Welcome to the Luxury Market Report brought to you by MansionArizona.com. I'm your luxury real estate professional, Jeremy Pales, and each week we take an in-depth look at the luxury real estate market in Arizona, as well as some key relocation markets. This week we're going to take a look at Scottsdale. Individual city reports have detailed information about the numbers in the market. However, on the North American Luxury Market Report, which is available on the Luxury Market Report page on MansionArizona.com, they give some key insights about what's happening in the market as a whole in North America. We're going to give a couple of those each week for the next 4 weeks. As we enter the last quarter of 2021, we review the number of year-to-date sales as they compare to the full years of 2019 and 2020. We also look at several trends to establish the types of properties currently being purchased and to ascertain which we're seeing the highest demand in the luxury real estate market. Here are two of the takeaways from the North American luxury market. The number of sales in the luxury real estate market year-to-date have already surpassed the number of sales for the full year of 2019. Demand remains strong, with the majority of luxury markets reporting sales in 2021 already outpacing the total number of sales in 2020. All right, let's take a look at the Scottsdale report. Now, Scottsdale is different from the other three reports in Arizona, Phoenix, Paradise Valley, and Tucson, in that the Scottsdale has a detached market report as well as an attached market report. They're all a part of the same luxury market report. Here's the Scottsdale market summary for detached single-family homes. The Scottsdale single-family luxury market is a seller's market with a 62% sales ratio. The homes sold for a median of 100% the list price. I always find it funny when there's a number this clean as 100%. So basically, homes sold exactly what they were listed for. $1.2 million home sold for $1.2 million. Now we know this is an average. Some sold a little less, some sold a little more, but this gives us a really strong indication not only of the way houses are being priced, but also the buyer's intent moving into this market. The most active price band was 1.1 to 1.15 million, where the sales ratio was 350%. I'll show you why it's a little off-weighted here in a minute. The median luxury sale price for single-family homes was 1.5 million, and the median days on market for September was 35 days, down from 68 last year. The luxury benchmark for single-family homes is 1.1 million in Scottsdale. As you're looking at the price bands here, obviously there is a large number above 4.5 million. I think that eventually this report's going to get adjusted a little bit. There's such a volume of houses above 4.5 million in Scottsdale. It used to not be the case, but with Silverleaf and all the new development that's going on up there, we've got some really high priced homes up in that area. The most active price band, it had 350% because it sold 21 homes and there's only 6 active on the market. And it actually, I was going to say it wasn't the most active, but it actually was, because 1.5 to 1.7 also had 21 sold, but there were just so fewer houses in that price point available that it makes it look like that's so out of whack. But you'll note there's a lot of activity through almost all the price bands, but especially between 1.1 and 2.7 million, there's a lot of activity and not a ton of inventory. Good inventory once we hit the $2 million mark. But then, like I said, 59 houses available, 4.5 and above. We sold 4. The total inventory is 292. Total sales, 181. It is, like I said, a seller's market at a 62% sales ratio. The median sale price came down just a touch from last month, but we are up year over year. The total inventory is down about 45% from last year. Last year we had 531, this year just 292. Average sale price up about 3% from 1.45 million to 1.5 million. As we said before, the sales to list price ratio 100%. Last year it was 96.5, so that's a fairly big step up. 4% change is actually pretty dramatic in the sales to list price ratio. Here on the Mansion Arizona YouTube channel, we like to share market reports, neighborhood highlights, food, cars, everything to do with the luxury lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. All right, let's look at the attached summary, which again is mostly condos, some townhouses, but for the most part, these are condos. The The Scottsdale attached luxury market is a seller's market at 56% sales ratio. Homes sold for a median of 100% of their list price, just like the single family market. The most active price band is the 600 to 650, where the sales ratio is 250%. The median luxury sales price for attached homes is $749,975, and the median days on market was 38, down from 47. For condos, the luxury benchmark in Scottsdale is $600,000, and our price bands go from $600 up to about $2.6 million. Really, we only have about 5 or 6 that are above the $2 million mark. The vast majority of the inventory, at least, is below $1.4 million. The most active price band being that $6 to $650. That's the lowest price in the scale, which doesn't surprise me that that was the most active. Our total inventory is 85. Total number of sales was 48. Again, it is a seller's market at a 56% sales ratio. Prices stayed basically the same as they were last month, but have gone up a bit year over year. Inventory is down about 48% from 165 to 85. Again, the sales price gone up from 734 to 750, about a 2% change. And then that sales list price ratio is a little less of a jump up than the single family homes, went from 98.4 to 100%, about a 2% change. Thanks so much for watching, and if you are into just checking out cool homes or you're looking to make a purchase of a luxury home in the state of Arizona, I encourage you to go over to mansionarizona.com. We have a great feature called a social search, where you can actually share searches with your friends. You can comment on searches, like them, send them to each other right there on the page. It's a really neat feature, so definitely check it out. Use the site mansionarizona.com to look at the awesome luxury homes available in the state of Arizona. Appreciate you guys watching this week's episode. We look forward to seeing you next week on the Luxury Market Report.